Damina was a November was in the Tosso 9. I think Pimiano near Dionana Sones, a cat on a brono minor. Yaquako to a bow, yes, I sue Ebe di Brunya. Naya 2024, quite cry, Amano Aquo. And then somewhere about one or the best someone no. Yanina Quaco go back from Tinta Fidiana so qua. www.sompaonline.com Facebook no. I am Sompa 93.1. And on YouTube, I am Sompa Tiedi Makotino Bini. Electoral Commissar Adam Central for a film ballot papers here and they one more prantiara Safi Yadabatua Banosani and Honshano LCB Aquaco Drew Sanso and Andy Yamayoko to Electoral Commissar named Ambassador Pa. Serial numbers and a war ballot paper no swano. One was a woman Dania Chama on your phone, Tom Sanya Bayer, Nania Kobia Danso, woman able to me a humubi. Mampanyaba de chair Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia yaka sewa wa santema temu bontuana sai ana wonso shaya asibia kwakwaya sanso ana kane mampanyora John Dramani Mahama de atuja wase mampanyi na dokura ampo ne tua ya wonimuo sa fie bato no eye so paso a andis yamanyoko no ana ebedi nkunim na anai Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia de ato Ghana fo anim wase nyame ya dom no baba tena konya so a woyen hyew frokra ya wode beboa sane ye be na efuma gudie tuo eno so baye de na abaye nika ewo Ghana emu eno achi no amareboya yensaka efrin kramantemo ya dabraka ekire mo se akronforofo ya nanwoda wokwato tutu owi ekire soto bi kobowura mo ya sikanya kuma na won mapaki ahye ediagu kemu ana ekrom kwaje yem no enai shop onna no baba kasa acheche makwan ya fa so asase kadwutwiri no akronforofo no etimi tabiri ne sa we ne nsema hodo bia yaboabo ne nyina no abo ne bede na de baba somosa enme no nsia kasebo ena dwoada de na bo tete abetimi atwa so no oda mabase onyumakuo bia daroma ena dan de nyina tena sese ya yare kasebo ye mu ohwam ebaba som 3 Herbal Center Kahubi. What a 3 aqua capsules at Ayachi. 21st Clinic Yasiatica Expert. I know Chenemizo and 5G Yadamwasi. Express Group will sell per sale to Kwanya. China, Mamo, Canada, US, New UK, no woman at the walk. After Imopro service, I'm Waka Dinanson China. Winning Makwaka Siana Kwako Shiana Sompa dear. Afedi ya no so baso nti fa wachade ne brei na yanka mompa wani nyimako ahodo abrepam yabaka won sempa ade akero na menso a yansafo panyoro asante ebo abenedit wadom asem kroje ama me na me baba kenkan dia ma wo no medin ene akosia aje wakwade ebo aten afayenje brand nsem no yenchichim akabesa na watwini num no Ghana ye kwakoto santena kwakoto abasa ne animu no samfie nan bia no ye yansakraye ewo Ghana mu yi mampanyine foforo na afemra hye bejafo na afi wede no won hyehye no dada nyina fie nan bia no adwumako baako a Ghana ba ma mrama ho kwan ma won mutumi se wo behwa ma abato won sansam nyina da ye ho nkrata ye de beto aba wobedi ho dwuma aye electoral commission ane ya kase won ma hyase ya wode aya ballot papers na ho printing ne ade ahye nyimako be sensian sa wo Ghana mu a won ma hyase edi ho dwuma ana no dare wosam ye siye wo Ghana Freedom Party mu nam so ma me akuadonko firi mu no ana kan bi ma electoral commission de ba ye kire se sane ballot papers no ho printing ne ade sitie na ma me akuadonko so wakani pa makomako dumiensa ye beto won so aba fi ni ntiri won ma twenioma ade asensan na enam so ama na wotwe wie ye nim no electoral commission nsam trofo akofam enyimako makomako nsia ya wode sa adwumadi sonkwen ahye won monsa na akahwe sane ye ho kyehye si bi ko sa so wom guso ade prente anasa nioma ekosai aka obi ama deputy commissioner ade my electoral commission owura Eric Bosman Asare won nsam trofo akasa akirem se ene electoral commission de womani abede pa na eney no bibia so aye krado aye ready se nyankropon yi adom na abato da no so a wombetumi aye bi diaboa se ne ye na Ghana ye beto oba ne Frenchem ya atemacho bia ema ho na se ne ye no obi nkogina baabi anka se electoral commission boa pa ebu bigum wo mo prente papers ne bebrebe de gum wa branta saa nti anaka obi ama ne won ma twensantwerefo a won basa ne yakoso bia no yenso yade ani ehunumu bie.
Welcome to the Bulk Press Printing House. Today, the Electoral Commission is showcasing to the world that when you say accountability and transparency in motion, you don't just say it, but we mean it. The Electoral Commission of Ghana is one of the few election management institutions in the sub-region that prints its ballot papers in the country. And Bulk Press is one of our major stakeholders when it comes to printing of ballots. For the 2024 general election, Bulk Press is printing 4 regions: Ashanti, Oti, Central, and Savannah regions. Their ballot papers are being printed here. We are here to let you know that printing ballots is not done in secrecy. We open up to the public for you to know that we are doing it together with the political party agents. At every level, these agents are there, and they are observing to ensure that the right thing is done. They take copies of the serial range of numbers, they take copies of the quantities being printed for each constituency, and we give them all these details in the end. So printing ballots, they are with us, and they make sure that whatever we are packaged and is ready to be sent to our regions and our constituency, apart from the Electoral Commission seals, they also add their seals and take records of that. So, in printing ballot papers, there is no secrecy.
I was your Director of Electoral Service at the My Electoral Commission, no. Ora Benjamin Bando Bio and Nayaton and Kadanwachino, Executive Director at the Ma Back Press, one was so I can you makoma kunsia and the Electoral Commission. Ama 1 more 2 mesa, 1 more share, na ballot paper said about 2 bafi, 1 more shon printed being home. Dr. Francis Nyanson and some short for Ekasai, actually said, Jumadiana dear, Womugusupa, Yabibiada, Emerson Kemu.
And with respect to the production process, I'll walk you through what we do here. First of all, we receive the design artwork from the Electoral Commission. That's already made in its state form. And then on the receipt of this ready-made design artwork, it is transmitted to this section, which we call it computer-to-plate session. And then as you can see, the machine behind me is what we refer to as the computer-to-plate. And this is where the plate is developed or processed. So without much ado, I'll let the operator pick one of the plates and show you what it is. And then when this plate is developed, it is sent to the production floor for the mass production of the ballots. That is the printing itself. And when the ballots are printed, they are cut into sizes. These sizes are approved by EC. That is the approved EC sizes. And when
I was your way at Bulk Press Executive Director, Dr. Francis Nyanene turning Kenya. Yagoswada, I were about to commission. Pepper say ya were so about Prentiana fee, yadia to a banner home. Now, Sabat to one pepper and war Prentiano. You will be ya provoca some we can say serial numbers. Sa serial numbers see, and Ramo at Cheremosa, and no to me bois, Sunny Bayana will be crap to me one print to be wabontain, and finance something to Muswan Fama, Sa Yajiatum, and watching a crap on a yana brana baba son. Naya to abasa ye Electoral Commission Raswa Badani Chere, now what be a mamma, Amanyukua would one more. One more general quantum cross to one more swaba or my gun and will send your bayer, none you remember to me Adam Frenchim. I don't know and this see Amanyukoni Dimwa, and then one more shall see to be the money Electoral Commission pa. Sababi and your America Kono, Akabasa and watching in Num, no my gun ya to Abasa and Yoma, Ayat and China Nasi, and I'm Saya Suntino one more say Electoral Commission will be ya 1 year in term and son and Yoma Akechi. A dear friend is a serial numbers, no. wo mo hia ne na ne kire yada se electoral commission betumi diama na amanyofo awodo na timi ahwehwe mu sane be ya wo kina bi no wo bentimi mfa 5 na ne 1 mu sesi enko print bi megum mfa no nsa enko tintim so wo se ko ba ne se wo mo dane akire de ma wo no mabeboa ama nuoma matumi ada han sane be ya na wo kina bi no enhye bia enko temachew amfa ama wonom minority leader and Canada ya wo mrashe badwafie ono akwa ya Tamale South abato ampeso so a wono na mrashe badwani e ho no wono nyafo Haruna Idrisu wone nsamtwofo ekasai atwere mu sane ho hia se electoral commission beda na ehwe na serial numbers wono nsaka
ask of you is that we need the serial numbers of every ballot paper printed for each region, for each district, and for each constituency. This is all we are demanding in the name of transparency. Our printed ballot papers is not enough. We want to know the quantity, the serial numbers. So Northern region, we want to know where our serial number starts and where it will end, so that we can follow it to Ashanti and follow it to Eastern region. If we find a ballot paper meant for Northern region in any region, we expose your fraud and your intention for irregularity in the elections. We are very convinced, very convinced, beyond shadow of doubt, that John Dramani Mahama will win a free, fair, credible election. I assume. There's a Jimesa Ambuzukan Wabu Guru Dane.
I was your way at Tamale South, Mara Sheba Janino no Yera Haruna Idrisu. Na anai Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ya wano ya mampanya bedi eche wano akreye MPP amanyokwane dimwood no. Papa wano neto frank adi ama wanom. Eno adaya na wo eye na woche na wie ye no wane mabunu ahyiae. Ewo nkramantemu a wakasa de kire wanom. Na sa mabunu ya wane wanmo hyiae. Ana mampanya bedi eche ba kire mu se ekwoba se Ghanafo ama ne tumi no. No ba kire ma Ghana konya so a one word pepper ye croye bakoye baya jumapa. Wabede no ho nya fe no obi eba ba kire ne de onye biye ni sansa ne botaye ade na ni swade ho soso so obetimi abia bia nyuma ama maburu so atumi aye bie na ade bakoye da na ni so pa ene se ene no maburu krampo hye ne nkran dodo sese nyame ye adom no oba se na maburu ati bia so ne mutwetwe won mo hunu se ne hawo ye ne hawo na mane ye won mane ye nti no won so behwe se nyoma pi no aye fa maburu ho ebi ye adwuma ye data nsansam ane ade no won so beye bi diaboa se ne be ye Ghana maburu so ye benya ba bi na yasie.
My Youth Connect and other fora across the country, I have engaged with you, the youth, and listened to your fears, concerns, and aspirations. And I have been inspired by the ingenuity and can-do spirit of the Ghanaian youth. When I say to you today that your concerns and aspirations are my top priority items, I mean it from every sinew of my body. Indeed, I have been consistent right from the onset in making the destiny of the youth of Ghana my utmost priority. As I said in my acceptance speech as presidential candidate a year ago, and I quote, "I have my own vision and my own priorities."
I was on your tenant Kaino. I am Panya Bediacher Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. Na go swata awa manyo semu. Kane Mampanyo John Dramani Mahama so dia kwakwa to dwa awoti mantemu kra. Ya friend sir biakoye emu. Ebra wane maburu no hia ya na wakasa ade kire wom no. Ano baba kire mu sere. Ghana ba no kra no Mampanye na do age atum sa NDC na di nkonim. Wo hwe patata kram no. Wono sanyo ma shada nko ye safa ma MPP amanyoko nam so nti ewo se wono so de na chitara nkakra bom paye nketenketi bi ade ma NDC sane ba ya NDC amanyoko ne batumi aba wo se wono nyina no akira se wono John Dramani Mahama no wogina de ma asomdue wogina de ma mpuntuo afeso kura sama buru banya adwuma ye no wogina de ma wonom eno kan wo binche wo se Ghana for hweso na wo moto abade ma no sanse mampanyi na do kura wasan ase
makase adekrontia omampanya akufado nani abre se opese ezu mpacho momane kofom kakra ezu adekrontia nani abre se opese na bedi echire ebeje no ene se omope asumdwe na sikana omwenya no so mo de omayeye sikana omwenya no no omwenya asumdwe akotena omobebie di efi se omampenya bedi eche Bawumia o ntimi mbeye mampenyi nka se o hwehwe akufo adoni na ebusu
I was away aya kane mampanyo ra John Dramani Mahama ana yaten nkan na Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ya wono to franka adiama NPP amanyoko no anso akasa yakasai atwumamponu abato mpeso so ewonom ene wonam ya wobontoa ewa santemantamu na fuama akomako dunum ya wode ahyehye so ewo mantami mu na eno ene wode akwakoto dwa ekire se wono wonhye bebre no a ya sakwanya ne breba mu a wobada na diama ganafo ehunu bie na ba akoye bokoto dwam no mamu no nyina ho ani mu se wobetumi de nani hwade hunu ato dwa aye fumagudie etu ohu wase ende no kame asa fumagudie no ye hunu sa ne ye tu no nti ye nsase ye kwa ebretuo ye nsuwa anesa ye nyame ye adom no betena konya sam mampanyina wobara no ye bi diaboa sa ne be ya wode nhyama pa ebegu akwamu ye pa na wen wonnanan mahemfo won mo kabie wom nyina behia ye nuanom wo musu tu fumagudie wo maga ne mu no won wo nyina betena se ne yahwehye pa ye betome de won mafaso ebiem wobara so obetumi abie banke eyesika korabia ye no ya fumagudie dia wo mafo pinua betumi ade won akwa dondom wonom se ne be ye na betumi aboa no maga na ye fumagudie no ayetuo no ye benya sika twitwidie ade afri so Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia
jishe foforo so a mepese medeba efa ye miners mu the mining industry and then me pesemedi inshisheba na yaboa small scale miners no mwetumi aye mining ne in a responsible manner enti yebe ma geological survey authority a fa omu maps ni nyina ba a kire yem bibia gold no wo so that you won't do trial and error to start with. Now you share commodity mining schemes. Now you licensing miners, no, so that obia me emba and say you are not allowed to do this. You will be licensed according to the law and you will work according to the law as long as you don't mine irresponsibly. The torso me pese ahimfonoso me di share all the mining concessions in all your jurisdiction, maybe a mwasa seswa the concessions no econo. The chiefs must have an interest and a share in those concessions. Mubinya share in the concessions so that you keep an interest in all the concessions are ewa mwasa so. That will be very important. Mesumi be share Minerals Development Bank, me be ye bank for miners. The bank for miners are ebe buamu said mubetumi ato equipment to do proper responsible mining. Said share a Greek development bank for the farmers. Maybe share Minerals Development Bank for the miners. Etimi abuamu namo etimi aye.
I was your way mampanya bedi echono no na eno achi no papa de ne kire mo ewo nyina hene nanan mahemfo ne mpanyefo ka bie wo ekokohia he ewo no de to dwade adesrade aka ho kire se ewiasem de waye bi da no ka so ba ne mpre no nso a yanyina chinyi kura ena ne wo fru dua pa so ne yapia no wo ejisa nanan mo hwe ne omapa RPP amanyeko ebetena akonya so wo mo de agu akwamua menne free senior ha ya ba adisuafo ho ato wonom ewi ekire kura one village one dam one district one factory ne se pii no anom de agu akwamu no a ne se esefata se ya basan so ato wonom so biem na nyame ya dom no ono no ba betena akonya so a ne hye wode ba no abache ganafo yensem kura
They were an enough for ye to my one. A idea, yet I said, put to no echo media. Sana, ye say, yet I said, Sheba, and I put to no, it be called media or Ghana. Yes, I see 2016. Na ye go campaign, yes, Ghana for said, what to Agano Maya, yet the free senior high school education, yet the better Ghana. You can't say you're free as it's ever. Or Mampini Dada, Kaitra say you're Dada Ghana for. Or Kaitra say, a 419 F Basso is not possible. And America say, Yamiano, it is possible. You bet me yes, I see 2017. You be free SHS about Ghana. And then, Obievu, Seria, getting for so Akobia. And then you got 5.7 million children are senior high school free. It didn't see that. It didn't see that. I don't know. Na ye ba abayno na talk about our school na a problem and then ye abayno talk computer tablets ye be teacher ama every single senior high school student
I was sharing your turn and carry Ghana man penya bedi a children and watch you know as Antema Temotina ni dema and pipi amanyokono. Ora Bernard and she was ya koya drawn one manessa chama won to me. One also kasai asra na nama himfo. Any other share ya one more training and you was share atra sawasra das ya pasa first senior na fee ya sanso to aso dia. And na yan shana pipi amanyokuno and Santana konyaso.
What to be a father man go school, but to be the yourself for private college. If you said that about Bawumia, let's also you also the customer of school. How never go private college. Therefore, that who need free education by who do another number of who need free education by who be that the man and the man of who be that say we are all free education.
I was aware Santema Temotina dema and pipi amanyokono. Ora Bernard and she was ya koya bon manessa chama won to me at 10 in Canada. Ya kwama so yaman boni kwame redu. One of it yana panina wadi a chire. I watch Mamponium and Sinimu Arasanie, a probono SCB aircraft. Kwame Major.
Akosia Maduswa. Akosia education yaketia entino setiman no kotunse na otumi a omampeni obedietie frankatufo de ma MPP amayukono wase yese yeminichi na omonto na yenkantra mansantino ono ani busu asabu ya benu kasa akosia ba minku sedia anopano be na wotwa yitufi kumasi fremu akontobro so eba nyinehini esa ba atuma emponia atuma wodieja south na fie yebedu north sofia benu kasa na yebedu south for the akosia toni beje ni padoma omochika so ewo dia ko de na tese enya sem kuma bra na enikeji sanse wohwe mampenya be dietire ensema wode eto amanfo asuma nam so ema yo basum de ementino nipa eti eba behwe no na nika yie nika sia nika sisi na yo atuma mpumi atuma obieja north asabe ha aye entropan ana asabe amene ka sei ebe be sia nananam ahimfo omo atuma obieja north mpetem gina aha ani ya pe wani na ba be sia mu efi asofo mpinifo a omo nso so eka ho omo nyina aba be sia mu ha na fi nananam ahodo a omo nyina eka ho nso no omo nyina aba be sia mu anuma aye nkomodie na asamkoya na yewa edi tu mo ni esre wa mo ase wo mo profo amane se de mata mantini na ben ko fatu wo ye ya nam so masadu ni ya ho efie ndi aman so onu so entrance no onu so enfa entrance na onu se de bitu abo ama ama wa no so nche che de echika akoso de bi de akoso ya afei na yewa dr mamudu bamia woni empefo na nanom ebe de gi nkomo a enam so ma omo bode ni so ya wo so gina wono ebe so akoso na tuma kase na no toilet mi sa be dia tudu no akoso na tubia ma hanum a ai ha de no no de bo a wo bo ade tia kana fo ina ese o manfa atunyan manu sia no emmano na tunu tintim no anfa gana fo enko se de be ya na se asase nzu ebetumi edu so akuza yibini fie ma yewi okwa nsa ebe sa atwa so akoye nim kakra ansa na bi adu na bi na betumi abadie no ni nya mu de ka no se yebi o mampini abadie eti ya tafi ka tire gana fo na no ebe bi ntansan mamafo atedia ekoso e wa santimantemu a na kakra o de obabedi e wa ha so
mo ani adwuma kwame abusiama ne boni ya woto ye nkra wa santimantamu kwame redu ana yetene nkan ma shaba joni ya wogina wode mo manfo wa bantema bato mpaso so yo monyafo Francis Asanso Boachi na papa yi wode nani akire mu ewo Adventist Senior High School ya no wa bantema kwakohwe won mu finhia makoma kwaduanan ya na wodie no emu ebro no monyafo ekodu na ese e won makwakohwe nika ne anije sempa anam so mo de akoto dwa akyeresa ene nwomahia mu no nya ba akofo asede ane dwumadie aban ane awofo anasa ahwefo aye won mafam die no na wo suku ni no so wo hwese wo modern bobi yada wo betumi aye ewo suku ni mu no wo betumi amana dadie enam saya so ntene wo sra de suafo se nei won munya bi fam wo sanse finhia aduanan ya suku no krampo anya no ayen kransha sam kese ade ma wonom se won betumi dia wo won ho se nka chi fama wo mokra enti wonyere wo mo ho afi na won hwese resource wa ebepie no Adventist won so din ebetumi adini mu
Mudi omo 40 years aduanan fi aduanan if you aduanan no be brain no mai na no be brain so na e wa mu in na me catch them fan say when you mo nsu ande na no ma mai na in the past and trying to was see and omo go take the charge in the future na dey ba kwa na me can say the responsibility of school of school is our education institution is to shape the future of children. I know that we have the primary responsibility of every education institution. Now, I'm connected to the responsibility of the government. And I'm because the government is also our said yes, we shape the future, not only students, but children in general and the younger generation. Now, one way that you can shape the future is to invest in education. We of the MPP under the leadership of Nana Dako Kufuado, right from the start of our administration, we made the point that there is no way that any country can develop.
I was your way. I abantima Rachel Johnny Yera Francis Asanso Boachi no nanu achi no board chairman ya wada suku no wano Pastor Daniel Chebafo wono so kasa kire se suku ne bo mo modern pananso dia na ya na homete kakra no se suku no school placement no so no category B e ho ne de won makwa pie ya no aya dia na ya na kra ya pa yo besere mpanyefo se wo mo ye ho bibia ankanani beje
Entimi category A school. It is only one thing. Infrastructure development in Intra. Osha academic performance is better than a lot of schools within Kumasi here. Now so ya how we
Yes, school, yeah, dormitories, no, any other. I don't know in my keynote address, no, we can't want some. So, I buy no abua, teacher for free education provided for in Kalano, any other. But say, no, say, I don't want. As I say, when you for Eddie Amaya, a witch, and such a meka, Nankalana, across the road, Nina, a free home, it's me by Nimua, ever come one, ever boy, I'm a name, and personally, as a board chair, I am very, very impressed with school performance, even though there are a lot we can do to improve it.
I know you no headmistress, Yawada Sukun no, or Ira Grace, Kafui, Aye, one so the other so dear Etuja.
Efa emano omo cross road no mo da asia ho kotoko na me ba ye ka bobi no but nyame adum omo survive iti ye hwe sadie we pa se ha nyame adum ye wasase wo school bi ka race course ni chemu ba ye chiminya dormitory na ka ye move wo mu na aba hasenu no mo afro na ka ye staff ye mu bia ntina uyi house masters no mo promo ya attach house masters nyensa ana ti hasenu ana senior house master kan na me nti habi nti eba sane imu adanya wase ho ne benye teachers no dudu amoma kotuna ho nti eno so beboa ose we nyina challenge ne nyina echi nkura no mo bo modin pa ne menyine nti so mo san ba tina ha de ne ano be ya din pa ma adusua no akwani nti abutai.
I was your way headmistress, ya war Adventist Senior High School, ya wa bantama, wadano, Ora Grace, Kafui, Aye, Anna, Yatenin came. Ya kwa for no southwest abato empeswa so na ene kwa no mo an bipia manyoko na chita for besa wo ha ya immediate past police station executive ni bi akaka ho wo mo nyina kire za hwe ene wo mo frem pipi do mo chita akwa koma ndc amanyoko no a wo mo wasa yewura Abubakar Sadiq wo mbetumi ata na chie na won maboa no ama papa yi mrahye dwa akonwa no ne nsa atumi aka na manfo yi kire mu anasa ene no wo hwe NPP amanyoko na hye na omudi gu akwa mu no a wo mo no ne sa moa wo mo sa sane NPP fo ahyase eye wo mo nuama mo kwa ho tintiri nyina sabi mpredase etwetwe ba no wo mo de ahafo no southwest enya de mpuntu nyuma ba kokora ebetumi apia firi NPP amanyoko no mu ade aba ama wonom enam so nkiri wo mo nyina kwa DC ya wonom rese yewura Abubakar Sadiq wobedi nkonim ewa afia bato samra sebadwani no ababeboa ma wono hye nyina da atumi awiemu die Ebrahim Boni Eric Anan wobo moden ane ade hye bi atwetwe enkomo ema ne chechemu eye Ebeneza awusu ansa no sei eno chechemu
I know we never catch 20 good years. Apart from a career before here, Obinka, the LPP, assembly, hospitals,
no constituency chairman dema ndc amanyoko no wahafo no southwest abato mpaso so wonmonyamfo Eric Dapa do no abonoma ne se ko broni won so ekasai edifa ho
awon ne ba be pray ba ba na ho e bo sama asem o ahafo no southwest aya be poso mankraso kunsunko ana to abana sabi tole tole no mututu kwawi sabi e ko mutimi jira so kuya from Odofe to the team, come some more asphalt here, the attitude. I saw a little, come some more light. I was Sabia Papa and I'm so. Macrasu goes to your boat to your banco. I saw quite chance of some boat to your banco. I don't know 4 years and so I can't assume it. They're doing for 2 years more. Hey, they're going to crash up for asphalt. No. MPP, Amayo Kuno, among Faso, Rapawi, and I'm many of Buddha Day as a Kaya, and I'm Tom Mahama and Sakaya. I want them through her. I want to be through her. We are 2025.
I would share way a constituency chairman, the man and this Yamanyo Kono, our Fano Southwest, about 1 person, so you are Eric Dapa. Now, your woman, Sonia Quakodi and Como. Our church folk will be our from one coalition of unpaid teachers and arrears Ghana, one of the two bind one name, serious Simojumeni Nakachia Sanepa. And a man yaman so your friend to 2 cat. Sa Banabaka said, the one quack my amefo, and I'm shrinking one yaka chiabia de mawanum. Now a boma sera bino. Say 1 market chiabimukra diakem. Bessa bosumini dudie, a modia qua fit. Abani chia kapre bakura. Now shrinking 1 more seraman pani nado. And a bedi chere. I say, I show my Ghana woman showing some Sonia Soya. I show my sick as some Sonia say. Where mother room watch at your 4 binumua, 1 market chia camu, and a she. 1 quano muso when it showed 1 man name. So about me, I be diabwa son ya baye. None your mouth do a quatch watch for 1 music as some hono. What bet me to 20 year at the ama one. Now, as some in Chenia Bomber densa ye benya, our Hennebasia do not yana no akasa. One no casa de ma collection of unpaid teachers na yana what the home and como. What I can say, Mojo?
Yeah, I know.
Now, you remember, Cordier.
The patch of Radiadum, the Bibia Raboko.
Yeah, then you may say. Yeah, just say, Mother to a bind one name. Say what you may need so like a chia as Safatano. Whatever my dear Porte, no how, and say.
Patch on your essay and say, yeah, at your chef, why you're firing 2023 October. Edimonso, you're far warm July moon. The eba agate. Na the etia and say, if it is say a share a duma ase, you mupi wa hono moa, isika emai. Omo isika enso eba yentua, yabusume ba kope, ena yade ma womo. Yakwa Ghana Education Service, eno wamo akwa kasa, wamo se wamo disika ya beba, enso besile, yente she, wamo ma yen lete se, ampara wamo disika no ebeba, enso wamo an, pesika no amba. Yemu pi wo hono mo a wo abobobobbo busia a omo expect say na kesika yi ebeba ama omo ede etwetu omo abusia enso aban no am fesika no amba na yakọ controller and accountant general department service anka ye expect say na anka omo se betu esika na maye ne yeti wo hono ene say omo se aban no enye na adwen se obetua sika bia e de amaye enti we yesre na adodankwa Akufo-Addo ene vice president Bawumia say akakra amaye aba befo aba yesre say won na won che sika amaye na ye dos pa enye dipa kakra bi ye boro be se 3000 e wo do whole Ghana enti yesre say aban no enhwe na won ye de ese na efata
Fado do send na Sompa nyefo mabo won mu punu mu mfi mu.
Efiti June mu ebe nyina na ye sha ase say ye bo omo epunu mu enti ema August omo the letter by say ending of August omo ebetire sika no omo entua. Even krampo ebi mu ho no mo omo aye adwuma omo staff ID krampo embaye ni nyina ubi say omo a omo say sika no ebeba. Wo mo de yenka ebro be 30,000 and over. And so omo nya omo adwene say wamo ebetua sika.
Okay. And now we can see from 2023, right?
Me patran.
You. Momo dia no mo ya church for ba ya mo kira dia wo he primary na junior high na say wadaroma wo.
Me patran ye mu bi e kire ade wo primary, e bi kire ade wo junior high, e bi su kire ade e wo senior high schools. Wo mu nyina no wo esika emmaye. Wo mo hyase se wo mu etua bi, wo mu tua ye emane ebesi May efitu ho no wo mu entua obia ekabiem. Ya yes ni nyina ye hwe se nka omo ede ebeba and so still na ya bo omo ekunu mo ko ho mo kwampo ibi mo kwampo ento omo nim kwampo enhwew
na wo kaka wani wadar ma mo dodo ne ba ba sai
the whole Ghana you bro best 3,000 getting to 4,000 kra
you just see ya no a mo dia to aban no ani mu no mo hwe aban no ni makwasi brebe na bra ne sonso a anamoto fro be ne de akire
ye hwe aban no anim amana kwasi busumi awieye say we betua sika no ede amaye
okay
say when sika no amaye a yen so ye befa ye ho adwene ye nim say enti bia na ya to aba na sa say enye politics na me ye bet aban no we ade a John Dramani Mahama we ye vice president bi na aban yi enso epese wo sanso repeat enti ye see ye man panyi dada emreso no ye nim say ebi nso ebe sanso esi say wanye de ese na efata
yo wabanye kase yenim sa wode abada Sompa ye fidi kase de anya da yampanyifo aso bete bibia ne yabasa abo prumu why
Epacho yada wasipa.
Yes, yada si. I was sure why you're heneba a see a dunia and a kasa and wakasa adema a collection of unpaid teachers and areas Ghana and a turning came. Sompa chadia ya can for yama where we say yami ya domwa. December ya na ya chadia no. Yes, if I want dear Brian Camum Nanya before, na a dinosaur yamfa and che. And you ma be ya okita be another buy a budget. Some pancrans are Ghana commercial bank a dining. Sompa sunyane ya 9th market. Ana Sompa kumasenso ya waswame Rome Hotel. Afei, say mobile money nsuwa ya homa no. Aya 0598 559 802 0598 559 802 Edino Ayatara One Media Anasa Blessed Foster. I was saying woman so tell ni emrayaba.
Defense clinic yes sciatica expert. Sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no. Se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye. Na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo magine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa. Womuji international awards ahodo womuji local awards ahodo na anu nso na womu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni baabi a gise 21st clinic nkoa womu de bibidro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a womu gidi womu pa no sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ni hypertension ni ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mo ho 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na 21st clinic wo mo sciatica expert.
There were these George Floyd type pinning downs by the brave.
Introducing Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink, a whole new refreshment in a can. Mixer 5G is a tasty non-alcoholic drink. It is a perfect companion for all your events, including parties, weddings, and funerals. It is made with green tea, ginseng, guarana, grapes, and grapefruit. Get refreshed with Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink. For bulk purchases, contact 0246 270 221. This advert is FDA approved.
Prakasa ye duabon waso a ne dwumedi wo nipadua biara pom den ene na brabo mu ne hianyi pa enye prakasa nko nuaba ne ahaban bi te se kwawunsusu a abonwono ne dia akeka ho no kura enwanunu ahodo a ekwa animu yi ankasa prakasa ne sa nuaba yi binom ne akeka bobudi afa abefo kwan so a ye dia ye prakasa powder siesi nipadua na abakwa ahodo no ho ban afri mpani yade ne yade ahodo pi ho fa enkodate de ma baako freduane anopa ne anwumre anafa enkodate de ma baako woni nsuhie yeti anopa ne anwumre wobra wadidi awie ubenya prakasa powder to Kingswalk Herbal ne Heroes Herbal Accra Okechi Drug Lane Dani Herbal Kumase Mensa Takrade Mose Pharmacy ne Greenlight Pharmacy Sunwane Cash and Carry Supermarket Asantoa Herbal ne Bibidro Depot Techiman Sewa Herbal Mampong etufo mfre 0550 19 15 14 prakasa powder aduane san yadro FD ahwehwe san kratu mu agiatum
ei sewa me hu acho me na no me bisa ekra so kwa brochu
kwaku afeina me beko men krata krani
ei ene me ma connection man for den kofo sika aduane ni wanya otedidi mu sa no
oh Express Group adarumenti akwantu ayefo opese otu kwan kosua dia Express Group do be call mind be to say Canada, US, Australia, UK, and Germany. Say a tour na se visiting so Express Group do be call Dubai, Canada, US, Australia, and Germany. Mo amopese motu kwan koye adwuma nso obetimi de wako Dubai, Qatar, and South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure a good job in the UK. You should make sure you Kumasi as a labor roundabout Accra and so Omo Carnation First Light, Tema Omo Community 18 Lashabi Girl Filling Station. From more much for ISO 055 555 0067 and 0249 000448.
Here in Ghana, when it comes to chicken, the good old days are back. Why? Because Boris B's Chicken, BBC, is here. Yep, give your family and loved ones Boris B's Chicken. Fresh, tasty, delicious. Boris B's Chicken is produced right here in Ghana by our cherished poultry farmers with support from the Ministry of Agric. Get whole frozen chicken, gizzard, chicken feet, chicken neck, and chicken liver for those special family meals, buffets, picnics, funerals, and all restaurants. Get Boris B's Chicken. It's halal, so everybody can enjoy. Wherever you are, call Boris B's Farms hotline 05-444-444-53. Ask for our branch that is closest to you and come get your chicken. Boris B's Chicken, BBC, proudly a Fiakoko.
Anyo, said ya fresh, ya nante fa montine so. Na ya trete ya pom. Afiwe Sompa FM 98.9. Sunyani Zabakaya way. Na ya nante trete ya pom. And on the 9th of November, ya nyina yeshiem anopano num ewo post office. Na ya nante afa tunyan amontine so. Ya be pie coronation park. Na ehon ye dura yay. Abiba up, any abiba down. Abekoso. Meche eya aerobics. Ye nyanim difua. Ombe kasache wa pom di ho. Edishade so say. Danny dear, Mount Pabuanya ready. Hadi Pam for, Bank for, Etia for, and a political parties in Sadano, Goloma Shifaya ready, Yama for Beba, a fete Tenebajia boom, the best DJs, Amamonyon Pa, a peace walk. Kainasha no said 90 way ya treche ya pom ade akọ 7 December akọtoaba eya asomdwen kwa aboafo ni 3A core capsules miso fruit juice 5G drink Frimp of Vibes Recording Studio and a 21st clinic walk with Sompa Nantibio na tinetine wapom.
Oh darling Jesus, you are always on my
Sompa TV, Emma Aketiapa.